Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is December 28th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Palantir, okay, then a little bit today. So we are down 37 cents, 1.95%. We closed at 1857. Post-market, we are even, Steven. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. So we had been going up over here. We had a little bit of a bull pattern, very tiny one, of course, because we are really into this congestion zone now. We are into a congestion zone between 1782 and 1910. This is a congestion zone. But within that congestion zone, we saw this clear sub-pattern of the stock making higher lows, except here. So this was a positive sign. This was a very positive sign. The stock tried to break 1910 and could not do it. So we had another sideways action here. Who does not like a little bit of a sideways action? Support at 1858, I'm going to say. Let me make it clear. Coordinate 1861. Okay. 1861. I'm going to put it there. So we came into this congestion zone between 1861 and 1910. And now we broke below this 1861. So we have a red candle, a little bit longer wick at the top, showing a little bit more selling pressure outside of the regular trading zone that's shown by the body of the candle. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. Okay, yeah. Look at this. So the first hour was okay. It was basically sideways, the same length of wick at the top and at the bottom, with a little bit of a green candle. And then on the second hour, this is where things happen. Boom, we broke 1864 that we had on the hourly chart. I just have this 1851 now. So we broke there, went a little bit lower, then came back up a little bit. And now we tried to get back in and got rejected. And anyway, with a stochastic that's very low at around 17, any move up, I won't believe much of any move up that can happen. Stochastic dropped out around December 27. We could still have maintained ourselves above 1864. Supports, the trend lines are more important than stochastic. So stochastic was not there, but at least we were quite a bit higher than 1864, but then we lost that height. The stock could still have maintained itself above 1864, but we lost it today. So we lost it today on the support side, and we have already lost it on the stochastic side. So to me, I have less confidence that we are coming back towards 1910. This is a personal opinion. I don't know if it's going to turn out true. I'm going to still watch the stock, but based on what I see here, I'm less convinced now. In terms of indicators, stochastic at 21, going back down a little bit, and RSI that never got over 50. That was already something not too good. The MACD still broke over bullish because the blue line is over the orange line. So MACD is telling us, yes, it's a buy signal. But I think the stock might be coming down again before it's going to do another retry. And probably MACD won't be crossing over bearish during that time. In the end, MACD could still be right, but things might be taking a little bit longer than what we anticipated with these higher lows. Sidetracked us a little bit. Let's just keep looking, because when this thing is going to turn around, we want to be in a good position. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. You can become a YouTube member if you like what I do. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.